La da da la la da 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 la da da da. I'm living my better days. I've been through heavy rain, the eye of the hurricanes, where I found my sunshine. Don't need no dollar bills, I love my simple thrills, beauty on the inside. I got all that I need, ain't no baggage underneath. Took my frown and turned it upside down. Now I'm singing like la da da la da 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 la da da da. Yeah, I'm living my better days. La da da. Yeah, I'm living. Yeah, I'm living. Yeah, I'm living my better days.
Sa isip na ng Diyos na ngayon, May 24, 2024, alas 4 ng hapon, dito sa St. Pio of Pietrelcina Parish, ikaw Banjo at ikaw Jean ay haharap sa Diyos at sa sambayanan upang mangako ng inyong pag-ibig at katapatan sa isa't isa habang buhay.
Stand tall now, for goodness sake.
Banjo, do you take Jean, here present, for your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Yes, I do.
This one and only.
Silang naiiyak, parang nababasa niya ba?
Love, you were the biggest plot twist in my life. A kind of plot twist that I would want to happen over and over again.
Lilab, the very important person to me. You're my world, my life, my everything. You made me a better man and a better person.
Yeah, even when we're lost, we'll find.
Please know that I will stay even in the most difficult times. Tita Nang and Tito Dado, thank you po. I am winning in life because you have raised a very good man and he's now my partner forever.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do. Sabi nga ni Father, our job requires us to be miles apart. But I will always come home running to you because now you are my home.
Ikaw ang babae sa panaginip ko na matagal ko nang hinihintay. Hinihingi at dinarasal kay God. Ngayon, nasa akin ka na, hindi na kita bibitawan pa.
The mystery of long-lasting marriage is love and sacrifice. Sa hirap man o ginhawa, mahalin nyo ang isa't isa. Sa lungkot o ligaya, damayan ninyo ang isa't isa. Sa karamdaman o kalusugan, wala sanang iwanan.